All right, yo. I think I'm live, I want to say. See if the chat is working. It is. Beautiful. See if it's working. YouTube specifically. That's right. I'm streaming on my other account and I'm not even logged in. It's hilarious. Here we go. Wire D and the D stands for deadlock. Yep. Are we live? We are live. I streamed a month ago. Streaming Silk Song. That's right. Yeah. It's hilarious. Second. This has to work. This has to work for me to proceed. I think it will though. Uh-oh. Not working. I guess I'm glad I tested this out. What the heck? Is it working from Twitch? Yeah, it is. Interesting. Think about this. Oh, I understand now. What's going on? Yeah, yeah, I see what's going on. Switch accounts somehow on Botrix. Wonder if Botrix allows me to do this in a convenient way. Add overlay, but let's say I want a new, so I want the same Twitch but a new YouTube. I guess I could just stream on wire guitars. Like, what's the harm? You know, what's the what would really be the issue with that? Go stream on the main account. This is my see. The problem is this is supposed to be like my dedicated Dota, or I guess also Deadlock channel, right? My wire D and the D stands for Deadlock. That's supposed to be the Deadlock channel, and evidently I am connected to that chat on OBS, but the chat messages are not showing up on my stream because the widget key thinks that I'm using wire G's chat, not wire D, and the D stands for Deadlock's chat. If you don't know anything about this, the wired extended universe, that's fine. I just have like multiple channels. That's all. That's all I'm really talking about. And my OBS widget is all confused about that. I guess we'll just not that big of a deal. I wonder how many people would even tune in from YouTube. I'll go stream on my main channel, I guess, for YouTube. What's the harm? I'm supposed to have this. I don't want to piss people off that are sub to that channel. You're gonna be all like, "What? This isn't Dragon Ball Z. Are you just streaming video games now? Is that what's going on?" It's like, yeah, I am, but this is the channel that I made for that. So I really should just get the chat figured out. Okay, let's just get the chat figured out before I do anything else, I guess. So we would do this on Botrix. Surely Botrix, uh, if it's because I'm a free user that I don't have ease of access to a way to make this a seamless transition. Surely Botrix has the infrastructure for what I'm looking for, right? Just the ability to seamlessly change between two different channels as a streamer. They have me on my. Actually, yeah, let's do that. Let's log out there. Let's log in with YouTube. Then see, the problem is it's my wired G tar. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, wired D and the D. Here we go. Okay. So yeah, see a list of all your current active. Yeah, sure, you know, whatever. I'm sure there's no harm in this. Am I streaming this? No, so it doesn't really matter one way or another. They're all asking for the same information again. Okay, this is getting kind of annoying. Click, click, click. Okay, here we are. We're logged in, and now, okay. We should be Gucci Mane. click continue. It's going to give me all the same tutorial crap. But if I go back to platform YouTube, if I click here and then I click sign in with Twitch, I think it'll still, yes, perfect. This is perfect. So we hit authorize. And it's all like account error link. You're already connected to another YouTube account. Log out completely from your current Botrix account. Once on the home page, click login with Twitch. This will sign into a different one that is Twitch linked, but make sure you are now in a different account. Uh-oh. So am I even going to be able to do this? Because I want to link two, basically I just want to link two YouTube accounts to one Twitch account on Botrix. Are you guys not going to let me do that? Is that what I'm realizing? And I'm doing this all live. Which, I mean, if anything, it's alienating. Potentially security violation. Potentially this is not good for the longevity of my stream because I'm basically announcing the step-by-step. I'm not streaming it literally. Like you don't see it on the screen. You just see this wonderful gift package and ribboned from Hollow Souls here that we'll open up in a sec. But I'm not streaming this process. I feel like I need to get this right though. Maybe the simplest method would be to just log out, log back in on Wire Guitars, and we're gonna stream on Wire Guitars. But that would also be alienating to a lot of people that sub to that channel that now are seeing in their subscription feed a video game stream come up when they thought they subbed to like a DBZ analysis channel, and I just don't want to cause that dissonance. You know what I mean? I don't want to get that flack. Okay, that's you piss people off that way. It's not something I'm trying to do. But I get this account link error, and then it's making me want to go like this. So I like also log out, completely Sarar session, if you will, and we log back in, log in with Twitch. We're logged in with Twitch. Then we unlink the YouTube channel at Wire Guitars. So just straight fucking, yep, unlink it, rip. Then we hit sign in with YouTube. Then we hit the Wire Guitars channel. But then we go down to Wire D and the D stands for Dota. Now it's weird, it's so weird. It says Wire D and the D stands for Dota in that menu that allows me to select the channel from my sub-channel menu of like all of the wired channels under the Wire Guitars YouTube industrial complex. Right? I have multiple channels. I've told you guys this before, but the option is Wire D. It says Wire D and this D stands for Dota, even though my channel's name is Wire D and the D stands for Deadlock. So something there is not right. It's not updated completely. Whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm logged in, maybe. Am I logged in now? Yeah, we log in. Click the login button, and so now I think I am just logged in to both. Wire D and the D stands for Deadlock, but then also my Wire Guitar Twitch channel. And this is what I wanted. So now I can go to widgets. I can go to chat overlay. I can grab the chat overlay. And then the chat overlay URL now goes here. I can hit paste. Then I can go back to my YouTube chat. I can do some shit like, yo, what up? Wire D. And then that's just going to show up in about T minus 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. Are you kidding me? Where's the message? Showing up in my... It's showing up in my OBS, but it's not showing up in my stream overlay. Okay. Well, the main YouTube, not the main YouTube, the main Twitch chat is still connected. That appears to be the case. I wonder if a restart would do it. Probably. This is the widget for my... In fact, I can even... test it. This is the widget for my chat. This should all be working. I feel like I did this correctly. I feel like I did it correctly, and I need the output to match the input now. World needs to work for me, because I've done the work. LOL. It probably is just... It is just... Something as stupid as restarting my stream would probably fix this, unironically. Check the channels one more time. Oh, wait, hold up. have an idea. Probably not. Probably not. Probably not. Um, but it makes me want to try something different. Just a totally random idea here. Who knows? Maybe it'll work. You never know. We could actually just copy. Where's the duplicate? Actually, fine, fuck it. Drop another. What did I just do? I think I copied the wrong one. Copy chat, put down there, grab the chat thing, go back to bot tricks. Boom. Two chat windows now. One should be like very specifically linked up to my YouTube, but it's not working. Something tells me, and it's not. Just tested it. So yeah, what gives, bot tricks? What gives? Why are we doing it like this? The confusion. Oh, it just reloaded. Show message time, show platform icon. Yeah, show the platform icon for sure. So 100%, we need that. Back to the chat. Boom, boom. Did I save the settings? Maybe, no save button for one of the many things that kind of, yeah, never really know. Are we set? Are we good to go? Loyalty integration. Okay. I'm just gonna restart. Maybe that'll do the thing.